Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we have a new window in Adobe Illustrator. This window makes very special shapes. I'm talking about graphic styles window. So let's start. To open graphic styles window, click on window menu and choose graphic style. This window have many styles to add to any shape. For example, I will draw any rectangle and now select your rectangle and choose any style from here, like this. And you can also make a new style from here, or you can delete any style. And you can also open graphic style libraries, and you have here many styles, 3D effects like this, and I have also artistic effects, and also neon effects, and type effects like this. Texture, you can explore it by yourself. You have here many effects. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.